Hello everyone, welcome everyone to our session on Tableau, guys. So far, I have done two sessions on Tableau, where I have discussed how you can install Tableau file, and I have spoken about the Excel workbook. Okay, I have spoken about the Excel workbook, which you can use while working on Tableau. So Excel workbook, when you are working with Tableau, it's more or less it's an advanced pivot table. Okay, so now this is your Excel workbook. I believe you have already seen my video where I have discussed about sample superstore workbook. And now from this session, we'll talk about data visualization. And the first data visualization, what we are working on is a column chart. So let me just open Tableau Public so that I can demonstrate column chart for you. In this class, we will discuss only about column chart. So first for that, I'll connect with the Excel workbook, which is sample superstore workbook. Once that is done, then I'll drag the order worksheet under the table region so that it can do my required homework. Now in sheet one, I'll give the name to this sheet called column chart. I can give the name to this sheet called column chart. The name is given. Now, what if I want, I can give some detail about the column chart, what column chart do under the caption. So probably if I write it, column chart is used to show the comparison between different variables. Suppose if I want to write it there, so just I can write here just copied. I just double click on the caption. It will take little bit time. Okay, and then it will show you the area which get pop up. Under that area, you can write about caption. Okay, you can write some detail about the column chart. So whatever you feel, what column chart basically do, you can give the detail about that part. Okay, so here I'll just go there and write some detail about the column chart. A column chart is used to show the comparison between different variable. I can change the font color, whichever color you want. I can change the font type and then click on apply. Okay. Okay, once that is done, okay, so the column chart is being created. Now remember that whenever you take any string, it doesn't matter, customer ID or customer name or a region or segment, anything. If you take any string, okay, suppose if I take region, if I take any string, suppose I have taken region as one of the string. You take any string, and then if you take any measure, okay, any measure, suppose if I've taken sales, if you do that, you'll always get a column chart. Okay, so remember this part. So here the column chart what I've created is of you can see different regions are there, east, west, north, and south, and these are the sales figure for these regions. Okay, everyone. Now, once you have created this column chart, now imagine you have created the column chart. Now you want the values to displayed at the top, because by looking at that you can't. If I ask you what is the sales of east region, so it would be very difficult for you to tell you, right? So how you can do that work? For that, just click on sales and drag it under level. If you can do that, you can see that now. So what is the sales of east region? It is 691,828. Okay, this is the sales of east region. I hope this part is clear. If you want to change the color of this, you can change the color of this. Whichever color you want, you can change it. I hope this part is clear with all of you. Okay. Going further, if you want, you can change the view of this. This is like it's segregated to left side. If you want, you can do fit with. If you do fit with, yeah, it get dispersed widthwise. You can do fit height, what was there earlier, or you can do entire view. Same thing, well, fit width and entire view, same thing. So you got the column chart region wise. I hope this part is clear with all of you. And anyone have any doubt? Okay, going further, what you can do, if you want, you can change the background of them. Okay, the region, the what you get, you can change the even the background of this. Just do right click, go to format. Under the format, if you go here, you will find this option called shading. Under this, you will find this worksheet. Under the worksheet, whichever color you want, you can just put it there. You'll get the color. Or go under more color. and you can put whatever color you want, you can put it there. Okay, so it's all up to you, whichever color you want, you can do this. If you want to change these, just do right under the here, models. I want to make it bold, whichever color you want. Sorry guys, because of internet connection, it it got paused for a moment. I'll revisit this work. So this work, what I have done, yeah, I have put background color. I have changed the font in case if that was not visible or you found any difficulty in seeing that, I'll do it again. So what I have done, I have taken region. That region I have put under column. Then I have taken the sales. Sales I have put under row. So different region sales figure I got. I want this numerical value. So I drag the sales under the level. I got the numerical value for them. Then here change it to entire view. You change it to entire view. You can change the color of this diagram what you get. You can change the color of this. Okay, you can change the name of this. You can put as a column chart. You can put as a column chart if you okay, so the name already there. So I'll put one column chart one, and then you can go to worksheet. You can go to caption, and here you can just give some detail about this. Okay, so here under caption you can write some detail about this. Okay, apply. Okay, so once you're done with this, if you want, you can see this data ascending order. Okay, this is for ascending order. You can see this data descending order. Better than region, let me try subcategory. Okay, I'll drag subcategory under here. There's 17 subcategories are there. You can see it here. 17 mark means one row into 17 column. So there's 17 subcategories are there. You can see them here. If you want, you can arrange them in ascending order or descending order. You can see this. Okay, if you want to change the font, the just go to format, and here here click on sum of sales. Under format, go there, change the whichever whatever I want, 12 bold. Okay, if you want in some color, you can choose the color. It will come in that color. If you change the background, okay, go to format, right click, go to format, here go to shading, and here go to worksheet, and under there you can change the background color. So you can do ascending order, you can do descending order, you can change this. The way you want, you can change this. So this is about column chart. Okay. So let me just revisit. So we can change the background, we can change the font. Okay, we can do this work here. Okay, we can make it entire view to standard, standard to entire view. Okay, ascending, descending. Okay, we can do this work. I hope you have understood this. So this much from this class. We'll continue further in next class. Take care. Bye everyone.